Dear God, thank you so much for this day. Our installation for the year 2023 was a success upstairs. Thank you so much for giving us energy, strength, and great health, enabling us to be present here today. Dear God, in a world that is full of lonely people, we celebrate this brotherhood and sisterhood with humble hearts. In a world that is full of hungry people, we celebrate and appreciate the food that we are about to receive with all humility. Dear God, please make your presence be felt by gracing us with your love, forgiveness, and understanding. Brothers and sisters, please join me in blessing our food. Bless us, O God, and this, thy gifts, which we are about to receive from thy bounty through God. Amen.